Hey y'all, today we're making bone broth, and I dumped that in there because I didn't know my camera wasn't running. But anyway, I start with a cup of hot water and I put it in here and I mix it around and I get all them drippings, and that's the first thing I add. Then I'm going to add 5 more cups of water. Now there's a total of 6 cups of water in there, and the bones are sitting on a trivia, a flat trivia. Okay, now the bones are covered with water. Now we're going to, sorry my son has my tripod. We're going to put the lid on. Make sure it's not on vent. Make sure it's, you know, this is vent and this is not vent. Okay. Everything's facing me. And I'm just going to hit the broth thing. Soups and broth. And I've got it set up to 80 minutes. And you can go higher if you want. I'm going up to 90 minutes for my broth because I want a rich broth. Okay, you can add up to 8 cups. And then add more time. Okay, now you just set it and forget it. Okay, this is a quick video because I gotta go shopping today. Bye, y'all.